This is Tuck with Tuck GC. We are in Alexandria, Virginia. We're taking a look at a concrete pour that we did last week. It's been curing for about 4 days now, so you get an idea of what it looks like as these things are curing. We got some rain coming in, so we're trying to beat it, so we'll make it a short video here. Now on this particular project, we were able to have the apron width line up with the exact width of that, so it's a perfect rectangle, and it made it look nice with all the joints and everything laid out precisely versus flaring out the project to make it a little wider. Now one of the main concerns here was the old driveway was a lot higher, probably 7-8 inches higher than the concrete you see there, and it had negative slope going back towards the garage, and they were getting flooding in the garage. Now we are a specialist in the ACO drains, and we love putting them in, but honestly, whenever you can avoid them, it's great. There is a little bit of maintenance to them. Plus, they are very expensive, and it automatically turns the project into a 2-day job, where this was a 1-day job, which is going to double all that labor, overhead, and profit. So if we're able to avoid the drain, get it in 1 day, that's always best. Now, in this case, we had very little slope to work with. On this side, it has a little more slope. We're almost to the 1/4 inch per foot that we're looking for. On this side, it's closer to an 1/8 inch per foot. We put a little bit of a divot down in the middle to kind of help this water shed as it gets over here to where more slope is, and this should just flow off quite nicely. We got a lot of rain coming in, and I'm kind of excited to see it work in the action there of getting all the water to flow off. But you can see, nice finish, looks great. The rain's coming in, so it's kind of messing up the video, but good finish. All these imperfections and broom strokes and color and all that will cure during the next week or two as this thing is getting its final curing on. But that's what a driveway looks like. So please give us a call. We'd love to bid your project as well, especially if you have any sort of complicated drainage situations where you need to keep those in mind, or again, possible ACO drains or thing of that nature. We are the company that handles that well. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.